Over the last couple of months, AI has evolved, and especially in character influencers. Well, OpenArt have just released their all-new Advanced Character Builder. So, if you're stuck for an idea on how you want your AI influencer to look, then it guides you through and gives you ideas. So let's get into it. First, you need to go to OpenArt. The link is in the description below. And if you have created an account already, then you can claim your free credits in their Discord by following their socials. Or, if you want to sign up for a plan, then you can, and use my code for a percentage off. Okay, you have your account. Let's do this. Go to the new dashboard, and then click the drop-down that says Character. Now click Create a Character. So you have three options here. Either start from an image, describe your character, and build your character. So if you have images already of your influencer, then start from an image is the right option for you. Or if you have an idea exactly how you want your influencer to look, then describe your character. But we are going to build your character. Okay, so first we have a selection of vibes. This you can skip, but it's going to help OpenArt with what it is that you want. So let's go for a 2000s. Next, select your gender, male, female, or androgynous. We are going to create a female. Now we have to select the ethnicity. So we have a selection here, or you can click Custom and describe your idea. Like if you wanted her to have green skin like the Hulk, or blue skin like a Smurf. We are going to choose this one. Next is the age you would like your influencer to be. So teen, young adult, middle-aged, or senior. We will go with young adult. Now this will ask for additional information like hairstyle, color, or anything you would like to stand out with your character. So we are going to type mesmerizing blue eyes, long red wavy hair. She has a diamond stud as a nose piercing to the right. Now this is going to generate us 4 versions on which we can select and build from. Okay, all of these are awesome, but I think I'm going to select this. Now you can select this is the character, or you can edit the character by clicking the pencil. But I would like to keep her as she is, so I'm going to select her by clicking Set as Character. Now we have to name our character, so I'm going to call her Lucy. You can type out a story about your character if you want, but I'm just going to type a young streamer that likes to make content. And now click Create. Now Lucy is ready for the spotlight, so let's give her a try. Let's click Create Character Image. Okay, so let's type into the prompt. Sitting at her computer with her gaming PC, in front of her is a professional studio condenser microphone attached to a boom arm. She is wearing white gaming headphones that have RGB in the strips of them. She is wearing the same outfit and is looking into the camera lens. Set the output to 16:9. Choose the selection of images you would like, and we will keep it as 2, and click Generate. Now OpenArt will generate our image that we just created. There she is, everything we asked for. And you can create multiple characters, so say if you wanted Lucy and, for instance, myself in the same scene, you would do this. Click Characters and Worlds, and then select your character. I'm going to choose myself. Now I'm going to @Sky, and I'm going to type is standing behind her with her hand on her shoulder, looking into the camera lens. She is wearing a black top and blue jeans and is looking into the camera lens. Now click Generate. There we go. Phenomenal. Now, if you wanted them to do something, then you could by clicking Image to Video. Select your model. We are going to choose Kling 3.0, and let's type something into the prompt like, as the gamer girl is gaming, the other girl is looking at the screens also and trying to give her advice on where to go. You can choose to have audio on or off, but I'm going to keep it off, and select the output for either 720p, or 1080p, and then select the duration of the video. We will keep it at 5 seconds, and then click 1080p and click Generate. And there we go. The new character builder with OpenArt is incredible and honestly worth it. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was good and I hope it helped with what you are trying to do. If you like this video, then please comment on anything I could improve or that you want to see. If you are new to the channel, then welcome! My name is Sky. I create everything and anything AI. Don't forget to smash that like button, and if you haven't, then please subscribe. I appreciate all of you, and as always, thank you for coming to see me. I love you all, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.